Morning, children. Let us start with today's class, parts and whole, part 4. So, parts of the strip. Look at the picture, write what part of the strip is each green piece. Write the part for a piece of each color. We are going to complete these questions. We are going to answer these questions. How many 1/4 will make a half? How many 1/8 will make 1/4? How many 1/8 are in 1/2 in half? So these are the questions which we are going to discuss. The first question, how many 1/4 will make a half? This is very simple. Let us start with the first question. Before that, we will see this table, see this rectangle, how we have divided this rectangle. So this is the complete strip. We refer it as one full strip. Then we divided this strip into two parts. This is half and this is half. So we divided into two parts. This becomes 1/2, this becomes 1/2, means half. Now we divided into four parts. This strip is further divided into four parts. So each part becomes 1/4. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4, because we divided this strip into four parts. Next, we divided the same strip into 8 parts. So each part becomes 1/8, because we divided the strip into 8 parts. So this individual piece becomes 1/8. This is 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, like that. So in this way we have divided the strip into half, 1/4, and 1/8. Now we will discuss the questions given in the exercise. So the first question, how many 1/4 will make a half? So this is very simple question. You have already learned in 4th standard halves and quarters. So we can clearly see from this that this is half, and it is made by adding 2 1/4. So 2 1/4 will make a half. You can clearly see from this table. Okay, this is half and these are 1/4. So 1 and 2, 2 1/4 makes half. Very simple. Little bit confusing is how many 1/8 will make 1/4. How many 1/8 will make 1/4? So let us see 1/8. Okay, first we will see what to make 1/4. So this is 1/4 and it is made up of 2 1/8. Okay, this is 1/4. This whole area is 1/4 and it is divided into two parts. It becomes 1/8. So 2 1/8 make 1/4. 2, this is first, this is second. So 2 1/8 makes 1/4. So this is the answer. 2 1/8 will make 1/4. You can clearly see from this 1/8 plus 1/8, it becomes 1/4. 1/4 is divided into two parts. That is, so 2 1/8 will make 1/4. Let us go to the third question. That is, how many 1/8 are in 1/2? How many 1/8 are in 1/2? So let us see where is 1/2. Here is 1/2. Okay, and where is 1/8? Here is 1/8. This whole portion is 1/2 and it is divided into four parts. 1 2 3 4 means 4 1/8 makes 1/2. Can you see? This is 1/2, this is 1/8. How many 1/8 are there in that area? So 4, 1 2 3 4. So 4 1/8 makes 1/2. So 4 1/8 are in 1/2. So these are very simple, but we should see this table to find out the answer. So this is the homework. Patterns. Look at this square. What part is colored blue and what part is green? You have to see this pattern. What part is colored blue? You have to tell the what part, means you have to answer this question in fraction. And what part is colored blue? that you have to tell. And what part is green? This one is green part. What part of this square is green? So again you have to answer in fraction. This is your homework. Next is it equal? See, Amini says half of half and one third of three quarters are equal. Do you agree? How will you show this? So this is the puzzle. Amini says half of half and one third of three quarters are equal. So do you agree with this? You have to tell your answer yes or no. If you tell it yes, then how will you show this? Then we have to show it. So I have given the clue that this is the half, yellow color. This is half. So what is half of half? That you have to tell. And this is three quarter, 3 by 4, three quarter. So one third of three quarter means how much? So this is a clue for you. So you have to answer this and do it in your notebook. The earlier one questions also you have to do it in your notebook, and this homework is also you have to do it in your notebook. So this is all about exercise which is given in your textbook. We will see more exercises in our next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.